Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce Wise Feline memories and emotions. These NPCs have memories, so when you go to them and do something nice to them, they will remember. So I go close and I just bought something from him and then go out and then come in and then do something nice to him again. This time he gives me because I did something nicer. Like 2 and 3 do nice things and 1 tries to damage him, and when you do that, it turns red. But after some time, the memory is forgotten, so the NPC turns normal. But if you try to kill them 5 times, actually all of them will try to attack you because they remember that you've not been a nice person to them. So that's what I do. I will come to this one, try to kill him 4 times. Not only he comes to me to attack me, but also the other one comes here to kill me. And it's pretty simple to use. It has both memories and emotions, and there is a component called WF memory component that you attach to basically your characters, and then that components can be used to add memories, remove memories, and search for memories, and memories can be forgotten, and you can register for forget events and add events and that sort of thing. So as you can see here, this is the add memory function. You create a memory and you can have positions for memories, you can have memory types, the actor that did the memory, and all different things. You can store them and then you can search for them in your code basically. And you can integrate it with our AI like Wise Feline, uh, utility AI, and use it there. But also you can integrate with the behavior trees, and just this component and the other one, which is for emotions, uh, can be used to do whatever you want to do. So uh, let's take a look at the graph. I register for the event that memories are forgotten and check if the memory forgotten is a kill one. The kill memory has the memory type 0, so I check for that in a branch. Basically, I get the array of forgotten memories, and then if it's a 0 type, which means a kill, then I set the material to white. And when I'm registering for added memories, then I get the memory added. If it's a kill memory of type 0, then what I do is that I turn the material red basically. And the 1, 2, 3 thing is in the third person. So each of these characters have a zone, and when you enter the zone, here we basically get the actor which entered us and then cast it to a zone, and if it's a zone, then set it to our zone. And when we press 1, 2, or 3, what we do is that we basically add a memory to the NPC in that zone. And we get the NPC from the zones, because zones have a myNPC variable which contains the basically NPC that they are attached to, and you can simply use that to get their target NPC, and then use that target NPC's add memory to add a memory of type 0, 1, or 2 based on the key. And those texts which we saw were based on the memory type, so we have a switch case in the NPC basically, which says, okay, in the zone, which says, okay, when somebody entered me, get the last memory that we have of them and check what did they do to us. So when an actor enters, we so in begin overlap, we see if the other actor entered, we have a memory of them. And then put that memory into a switch which has multiple pins if we had that memory. If we didn't, we simply do as default text. But if we had the memory, for 0 we do something here, for 1 we do some other text, and for 2 another. And these could be turned into an enum, or I could use, instead of memory type, which is a number, I could use something else basically, like memory actor, which is a type, and I could use it like if initiator and blah blah other things. And there are lots of other queries that you can make other than this one. So other than get closest memory, you have lots of other functions, like you can get the recent memories time of different types. Uh, you can listen to events where memories ended or started, and also there is a whole set of stuff for the emotion component, which we'll describe in another video.